Welcome to this video where we present our top 9 data science books to boost your skills. These carefully selected books will guide you through various aspects of data science. Let's get started. First on our list is Data Science Unlocked, A Beginner's Journey with R, ChatGPT, and AI Insights by Humberto Elias Garcia Lopes. This book is perfect for beginners who are eager to learn data science but find traditional explanations too complex. The author provides clear, direct, and easy-to-understand explanations that will help you master the basics of data science smoothly and quickly. It's an essential guide for anyone looking to build a strong foundation in data analysis. Next up, we have Data Science Projects with Python by Klosterman. This book helps you get comfortable using Python for data science by guiding you through various hands-on projects. It's an excellent resource for mastering machine learning topics and developing the skills needed to deliver state-of-the-art predictive models, which are crucial in today's data-driven business environments. Following that is R for Data Science, Import, Tidy, Transform, Visualize, and Model Data by Hadley, Wickham, and Garrett Grolemund. This book introduces you to R, RStudio, and the Tidyverse, a collection of R packages designed to make data science fast and enjoyable. It's perfect for readers with no prior programming experience and aims to get you doing data science as quickly as possible. Next on the list is Computer-Age Statistical Inference, Algorithms, Evidence, and Data Science by Bradley Efron and Trevor Hastie. This book takes you on a journey through the revolution in data analysis that began with the introduction of electronic computation in the 1950s. It explores how big data, data science, and machine learning have evolved and where they are heading, making it a fascinating read for those interested in the history and future of statistical methods. Moving on, we have Algorithms for Optimization by Mykel J. Kochenderfer and Tim A. Wheeler. This comprehensive introduction to optimization focuses on practical algorithms for designing engineering systems. The book is particularly valuable for those looking to learn about computational approaches to challenges like searching high-dimensional spaces, handling multiple objectives, and dealing with uncertainty in metrics. Next up is Data Science and Machine Learning, Mathematical and Statistical Methods by Dirk P. Kroese, Zdravko Botev, Thomas Tamra, and Radoslav Vaisman. This textbook is ideal for advanced undergraduates or early graduate students in mathematics who want a rigorous understanding of the mathematics behind modern machine learning techniques. Following that is The Elements of Statistical Learning, Data Mining, Inference, and Prediction, 2nd edition by Trevor Hastie, Robert Tibshirani, and Jerome Friedman. This book covers a broad range of topics from supervised learning to unsupervised learning, with an emphasis on concepts over mathematics. Next, we have Fundamentals of Machine Learning for Predictive Data Analytics, Algorithms, Worked Examples, and Case Studies by John D. Kelleher, Brian McNamee, and Aoife D'Arcy. This introductory textbook covers the most important machine learning approaches used in predictive data analytics, blending theoretical concepts with practical applications. Finally, we recommend The Ultimate Data and AI Guide, 150 FAQs about artificial intelligence, machine learning, and data by Alexander Tham, Michael Gramlich, Dr. Alexander Borek, and Ronald Van Loan. This book is a comprehensive overview of the most important concepts in data, machine learning, and AI. Thank you for watching. You can find links to each of these books in the description below. Don't forget to subscribe to our channel for more content like this, and visit our website at ai4work.com.